Just 20 days until Christmas. Can you believe it? No, neither can I. And Fox 5 has teamed up with Publix and Toys for Tots to make sure every child has something under their tree.
Publix grocery stores all across Metro Atlanta are taking new unwrapped toys until December the 23rd. And Fox 5's Jeff Hill joins us now live from the store in Cascade Road in Atlanta, where he's helping collect toys today. Jeff?
That's right, and 20 days is a lot of days to get all these boxes full. So get out there, do some shopping. We've already had a couple of folks stop by since we've been here, and the box, it's slowly filling up. It's not really filling up that much, but at least we're getting some toys are trickling in, and we thank everybody that has stopped by tonight to bring in a new unwrapped toy. Sergeant Roach from the U.S. Marine Corps, thanks for being here. Thanks for all you do, and I know we can get these boxes full.
Absolutely, yeah. So just come on down. We'll be here for a little while longer. We really look forward to having you here. We're making a good conversation. Santa's here too. He's taking pictures with all the young ones, so we'll be really glad to have you come out.
Give us our best motivational speech, something like, "We need you," and a hoorah.
All right. Well, we need you to fill this box.
There you go. Well, you did that very well. Thank you. Santa Claus, the man of the hour. Well, you were the man of the hour until the bear of the hour showed up.
The bear showed up, and that he is really an amazing bear, isn't he?
It is, and that's Paddington. Paddington 2, the movie comes out January 12th. You going to go see it?
Oh, of course, right? And then right after that, Star Wars.
That's right. Well, and you're going to be a busy man up until then, so hopefully you're not going to be too tired.
No, I might have to delay all those until after the holiday season, but you know, you all can become elves by just bringing a toy down here and filling up the box.
That's right. Hey, let's tell me your name and how old you are.
My name is Evian. I'm 7 years old.
You're 7 years old?
My name is Graves. I'm 5. My name is Sydney Holland, and I'm 5.
My name is Charles Diggs Moore, and I'm 10.
My name is Makai Diggs Bond, and I'm 5.
And you're all excited as can be about Christmas, right?
Yes.
All right.
Why are they here?
Everybody's here to bring toys for Toys for Tots. All right. So there you can see, it gets everybody happy. There you go. Hey, we've had a great time tonight. We're going to be live throughout the rest of the next couple of weeks trying to fill these boxes up. So if you go by your local Publix, please bring them a toy, new unwrapped toy, drop it in the box, and you'll help out some unfortunate child in our area.
Yeah, why wouldn't they be excited? They got Santa, they got Paddington,
right,
U.S. Marines.
Sure.
All right, Jeff, thanks. Once again, you can help Toys for Tots by donating a new unwrapped toy at any area Publix grocery store in Metro Atlanta between now and December the 23rd. And join us for our annual Great Toy Drop this Saturday at the Publix on Sandy Plains Road and Shallowford at Highland Plaza in Marietta. We're going to be there from 10 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon.